Good morning, children. We are learning Chapter 2 in Geography Physical Features of India. Today, we will discuss about the Peninsular Plateau. What is a peninsula? Peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. What is a plateau? Plateau is a tableland. Look at the map carefully. You will find that the peninsular plateau is also a tableland and is surrounded by water on three sides. How was it formed? It was formed due to the breaking and drifting of Gondwana land. That's why it is the oldest part of India. It is composed of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rock. Next, now let's see what kind of relief do we find on the peninsular plateau. The peninsular plateau has broad and shallow valleys and rounded hills. Based on the relief of the peninsular plateau, it can be divided into two parts. First, the Central Highland, and second, the Deccan Plateau. This part of the peninsular plateau is known as the Central Highland, and this part of the peninsular plateau is known as the Deccan Plateau. Now, what are Central Highlands? The Central Highlands refer to the portion of the plateau that lies to the north of the Narmada River. It covers a major part of the Malwa Plateau. The Vindhya range forms the southern boundary of the Central Highlands, and the Aravalli range forms the northwest boundary of the Central Highlands. In the west, it gradually merges into the Thar Desert. The major rivers of the Central Highlands are the Chambal, the Sindh, the Betwa and the Ken. Look at this map carefully. You will find that the flow of the rivers is from southwest to northeast. What does it indicate? It indicates the slope of the highland. Now, let's see layout of the Central Highland. Look at this diagram carefully. You will find that the western part of the Central Highland is broad and the eastern part of the Central Highland is narrow. Now let's see what is its eastward extension. The eastward extension of the Central Highland is locally known as Bundelkhand and Bagelkhand. You all might have heard about the Khajuraho temple, that is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You will find the Khajuraho temple in the Bundelkhand region only. If you move further eastward, the further eastward extension of the Central Highland is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. This region of the Central Highland is drained by the Damodar River. We finish our session here only. Thank you and have a nice day.